So all of you read the 14th question. Monish, read. Elmakil. Yeah. All of you read this question. What is this question? Manya, read. So,
An object of mass 1
an
kg.
object of mass 1 kg traveling in a straight line with a velocity of how much? 10 meter
10
per
meter per second.
collides with and strike to a stationary wooden block of
10 meter.
mass 5 kg. Stationary. What is the meaning of stationary?
Rest.
What is the meaning of
Rest.
stationary? Stationary means the body is in rest.
Rest.
In the sense of what is the velocity? Velocity is 0. Is it yes or no?
0.
Yes, sir.
Then they both moves off together in the same straight line. Calculate the total momentum just before the impact and just after the impact. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And also calculate the velocity of the combined object. Velocity of the combined object they are saying. So now let us discuss first thing. All of you can say. First what we should say. So given data, can you able to say first? Given. What is given? So two objects they are giving. So what is the first object? Object 1 of mass how much? Mass how much?
1 kg.
1 kg.
1 kg.
Is moving with a velocity of initial velocity u1 is equal to how much? Initial velocity of
10 meter per second.
1 meter. What is
10
it?
meter per second.
10 meter per
10
second.
meter per second.
10 meter per second. It is moving in a straight line. It is moving in a what? Moving in a
Straight line.
Straight line.
Do you understand?
Straight line.
STRAIGH is straight. Now somewhere here we have one object called as, what is that object? Stationary. What is that mass? 5 kg.
5 kg.
5 kg.
Sir. Velocity 0 meter per second. Correct?
0 meter per second.
Yes, sir. Body will come and will hit this object so that after both will travel in the same straight line. Is it yes or no? That is what they are saying.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? So then what is the momentum they are asking? This is the 5 kg and this is the 1 kg. Now after hitting, observe carefully. After collision, this is before collision. Before collision, and this is what? After collision.
Collision.
Yes or no, all of you do understanding or not? Now before collision, this body is in rest and its velocity is 0 meter per second. This body is in 1 kg mass and velocity is 10 meter per second. So now after collision, again both the bodies are moving in which direction? Same direction.
Same direction.
So they both move off together in the same straight line. Calculate the total momentum just before the impact and just after the impact. So please, just before the impact, what is the momentum? Calculate. Before impact means before collision. Before impact, what is the momentum? M1 U1 plus M2 U2. Is it yes or no? This is what? Before,
Yes, sir.
before impact. Please tell me how much it is. M1 is equals to 1 kilogram. U1 is equals to how much? U1 equals to how much?
10 meter per second.
Plus M2 is equals to 5 and U2 is equals to how much? 0.
0 meter per second.
0, sir.
Before impact is equals to 1 into 10 and 5 into 0, 0. So 10 kilogram meter per second. This is what the before impact. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Anybody please ask me. Are you not in this? Tell me.
No, sir.
Now, so before impact, what is the momentum? Before impact, what is the momentum?
10 kilogram meter
10
per second.
kilogram meter per second, sir.
10 kilogram. Now we want, according to the law of conservation, what is the
10 meter
momentum
per second.
after? What is the impact after? What is the velocity? Tell me after impact. What is the momentum? After impact equals to what? Mass both will be combined. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
No. Tell me,
Yes, sir.
nobody will say.
Yes, sir.
So now we have to calculate it. So please tell me after impact, what is happening? So after impact, mass M1 plus M2, both will having same velocity. Understanding? We don't know that. So M1 plus M2, which is equals to into V, is equals to, correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? Please
Yes,
tell me.
sir.
Now M1 plus M2 equals how much? 1 kilogram plus 5 kilogram.
5 kilogram.
5 kilogram into V. So which is equals to how much? 6 kilogram into V, which is equals to 10 meter per second, 10 kilogram meter per second. Correct or not, all of you? So
Yes, sir.
momentum before collision. This is momentum before collision, and this is momentum after.
After collision.
So P1 is equals to P2. So both equate it, please, all of you. What is that? P1 is equals to 10 kilogram meter per second, which is equals to 6 kilogram
6 meters.
into V. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now V equals to how much? All of you tell me. V equals to 10 kilogram 10 kilogram meter per second divided by this one will come this side. What will happen? Here multiplication will come this side.
Division, sir. Division.
Division.
So kg, kilogram will get cancelled. So velocity is equals to 10 by 6 meter per second. What is that? Tell me.
5/3.
10 by 6 means 5 by 3. Very good.
Okay, sir.
You can do the same thing. 6 1 is 6, 4 will come. Point you can give 0. So where it will come 40? 6 6 are. Correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So which is velocity is equal to how much? 1.6 meter per second. So after impact, both the bodies will travel with the what? What is velocity?
1.6 meter per second.
0.6 meter per second. You understand?
Yes,
all of you? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Sir.
Nobody is saying. So that is
Yes,
what.
sir.
So you have to
Sir.
write the momentum just before impact equals to momentum of the object. Then what will happen after collision? Correct or not? After impact.
sir.
That's all. So do it, all of you.
Finished, sir.
Have you completed? Manya,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tamil Selvan?
Completed, sir.
Okay. So that is what we
Completed,
equals to 1.6 meter per second. So after impact, how they are traveling? Both are traveling in same direction. But what is the velocity? Velocity is constant. How much it is? 1.6 meter per second and 1.6 meter per second. Both are traveling with the same velocity. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
That is what you have to remember. Is it okay, Mohnish? Are you understand? Mohnish? Okay. Next, 16th question. You speak and you tell me how to solve it. Manya and Samya, you also. Tamil Selvan. Yeah, this is the 16th question. Please tell me, read the question and tell me how we need to solve it. What is the formula we have to use and what is the how we need to approach? Tell me. Read the question first.
An object of 100 kg is accelerated uniformly.
An object of 100 kg is accelerated uniformly from a velocity of how much?
5 meter per second to 8 meter per second in 6 seconds.
In 6
to
seconds.
8 meter per second. In how much time?
6 seconds.
sir.
Seconds. Calculate the initial and final momentum of the object. Also find the magnitude of the force exerted on the object. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
No. So now, magnitude, force exerted on the magnitude, which is equals to, as we know that formula we have studied, rate of change of momentum. Yes or no? By time. Correct? Have you remembered? Acceleration. Acceleration means what? Rate of change of momentum. Or else you can do velocity also. Whatever it is, you can do it. So now please tell me given data. Given. Anybody. So there you can observe here an object of mass. How much?
100 kg.
100 kg is accelerated uniformly from a velocity of how much? 5
meter per second to 8 meter per second.
Given mass equals to how much? 100
100
kilogram.
kg.
Now, what is the initial velocity? Initial velocity
5 meter per second.
5 meter per second,
5
sir.
meter per second. Understanding? Next, final velocity V equals how much?
8 meter per second.
And what is the time duration? Time is equals to how much?
6 seconds.
Yes, they have given. So now they are asking that calculate the initial momentum and final momentum of the object. Till here you finish it. Initial momentum means what? When the speed is 5 meter per second. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
What is the final momentum when the speed is
8
meter
per second.
Till there you finish it. Please all of you. Initial momentum equals to what? Mohnish, Tamil Selvan. Initial momentum equals to what is that? P1, let me consider P1. P1 is equals to M1
M into V.
U. M into U. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Mass
sir.
is equals to 100 kilogram into initial velocity is how much? 5 meter per second, which is equals to how much, Amma? 100 into 5.
500
500 kilogram meter per second. This is what? Initial momentum. Now, what is the final momentum? Final momentum. P2 is equals to M into V. P2 is equals to M into mass is equals to 100 kilogram into V equals to how much? 8 meter per second. What is speed? So which is equals to how much? 800 kilogram
Meter per second.
So now we have found half of the question is over. Initial momentum and final momentum we have done. Is there any doubt in this? Please tell me.
No, sir.
No,
Pradhavan,
sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Tamil Selvan. Now you see what they are asking next. Also find the magnitude of the force exerted on the object. What is the magnitude? What is the force? Force formula is what? Force is equals to what?
Mass into acceleration.
Mass into
sir.
Mass into acceleration.
So now check your notebook and tell me. Mass, we know that mass is equals to 100 kilogram. Now acceleration equals to what? Formula?
V
minus U by T.
sir.
V minus U by T. But here you can use one more formula also. What is that? Have you checked your notebooks? Change in momentum. Change in momentum by time also equals to acceleration. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Change in momentum divided by time means in the sense of final momentum. I have taught you this also. Have you remembered? Final momentum minus initial momentum divided by time will give you acceleration. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That is also you can use it. What is the final momentum here? You can normally you solve first. What is the final velocity? 8 minus initial velocity is 5 divided by
Five.
time is equals to 6. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, please solve it all of you. So how much it will come? 100 kilogram. So okay, units you can remove it. No issues. Last we can write it. So if you are getting confusion. So now you tell me please, what is the force exerted? 100 into 8 minus 5, how much ra? 8 minus 5, 3.
3, sir.
Three.
1 by 2,
Is
sir.
equals to
0.5,
3
sir.
ones are 3 twos are, which is equals to 100 divided by 2. 2 ones are 250 sir. 250 what will come? Kilogram meter per second square.
Second square.
So kilogram meter per second square means which is equals to what? 50 Newton.
Newtons.
Yes or no? 50 newtons.
Yes, sir.
As we know that kilogram meter per second square, which is equals to 1 Newton. All of you, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All of you tell me, yaar.
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, let us take, all of you remember, change in force exerted. Suppose you will take Newton's second law. Newton's second law. According to the Newton's second law, force exerted on the object, which is equals to what? This is normal method. This is normal method of calculating force. Yes or no? Ra?
Yes, sir.
Now, as we know that
Yes, sir.
change in force exerted by equals to, which is equals to what? Change in momentum divided by time. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is also.
Sir.
So according to the, you can write or you can write, because here momentum we are calculating. That is why both you can do anything. It is correct only. So according to Newton's second law, what is that? According to Newton's second law. Newton's second law, what it will say, Ra? Newton's second law, which is equals to what? Force applied equals to, write it, please all of you. Force exerted on the object equals to rate of change of momentum. Force exerted on the object, which is equals to, don't get confused, Monish. If you don't know, you can apply. That is only final velocity minus initial velocity by time. Understand, Monish? This is when the case of momentum. Understand? In the they have given momentum and they are asking you to calculate force. Then you can do this. Force exerted on the object is equals to change in momentum. Change in momentum. Understanding? Rate of change of momentum. Rate of change of momentum. That's all. Do you understanding, all of you?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
What is the meaning of rate of? Whenever rate will come, what I said, which is equals to what? With respect to time. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
That is. So change in momentum means what? Final momentum minus
Initial momentum.
final momentum minus. Tamil Selvan, are you understanding? Initial momentum. Now, what is the final momentum? Check it, all of you. What is the final momentum?
800 kilogram meter per second.
Kilogram meter per second. What is the initial momentum?
500 kilogram meter per second.
That is a final is equal to 800 minus initial equals to 500 divided by time. Time equals how much? 6 seconds.
Seconds.
Yes or no? So now,
Yes, sir.
all of you verify. Force F is equals to 800 minus 300. 8 minus 5, how much it is? 300.
300.
300 divided by 6. So 300 divided by 6 means where it will come? 3 ones are 6 50s. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So 50 kilogram meter per second. Per second is there. So F equals to 50 kilogram meter per second.
50
square.
Newton.
50 newtons. Have you got the same answer or not?
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Sir.
That is. So
Yes, sir.
when they have given momentum, all of you note it down in our classwork. Understand? When they have given momentum and they are asking you to calculate the force exerted, then what is the formula? Force exerted on the object is equals to rate of change of
Rate
momentum.
of change in
Understand,
momentum.
yeah? So rate of change of momentum means what? Final momentum.
Final momentum minus
Final
initial
momentum
momentum by time.
minus initial momentum by time.
What we can write the formula? I have taught you already. P2 minus P1 divided by time, which is equals to force. This is also the force formula. Correct or not? In the case
Yes,
of
sir.
momentum, all of you remember. Generally, what is the formula? Force is equals to what? Mass into acceleration. If given, this is what? If they have given velocity, initial velocity and final velocity. If given momentum, then what is the formula? Force equals to final momentum minus initial momentum divided by time. Will you remember, all of you? Manya,
Yes, sir.
Samya?
Yes, sir.
That is. Everybody note it down. Solve this question. Samya, respond me. Manya. Tamil Selvan, do you understand or not? Yes or
We
no?
are finished, sir.
Yeah, anyone
Complete,
can
sir.
follow. Monish, either you can follow this one or you can follow this one. Both you are getting same answer. Correct or not? So you can use anything. It is not a wrong. You know, you don't think that, sir, we have to solve with this only. That is wrong. So we no need to follow it. Understand? So now 17th question. Very, very big question, but answer will be very, very easy only. So let us see who will answer. You read the question first. This is the 17th question. So you have to read the question, understand the question, answer will be very easy. Question is only the bigger. Answer the question. Read the question first.
After Kiran and Rahul were riding in a motor car that was moving with the high velocity on an expressway, when an insect hit the windshield and got stuck in the windscreen, Akhtar and Kiran start.
Observe very carefully. I will read the question. Try to understand everybody. So here totally 3 persons are there. Akhtar, Kiran and Rahul. Correct or not? So one is Akhtar,
Yes,
next
sir.
one is Kiran, next one is Rahul. Observe very carefully, all of you. Now, we're riding in a motor car that was moving with a high velocity on a expressway, means like a highway, when an insect hit the windshield and got stuck on the windscreen like our while you are driving, insects will come and will stick to our window. Have you noticed it? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Insects will flying insects
Yes,
will come
sir.
and will stick to our window, correct, right? Front surface.
sir.
We will use the wiper to clean it. Have you noticed it?
Yes, sir.
That is. Now,
Yes,
that
sir.
is what happening. All are traveling with a very high speed, so that when the insect hit the windshield and got stuck on the windscreen, that is what happened. Now, Akhtar and Kiran started pondering over the situation. Means they are explaining the pondering over the situation. Kiran suggested that the insect suffered a greater change in momentum as compared to the change in momentum of the motor car. And he said that because the change in the velocity of the insect was much more than the motor car. Is it true? Is it true? He said that the insect suffered a greater change. Try to understand, all of you. Kiran suggested that the insect suffered a greater change in momentum as compared to the change in momentum of the motor car. Because he said that the change in the velocity of the insect was much more than the change of motor car. Next, Akhtar said that since the motor car was moving with a large velocity, it exerted a large force on the insect. That is what he said. So that is why he said that result the insect died. Because see, first, for example, see what he said. Akhtar said that insect suffered a greater change in momentum as compared to the change in momentum of the motor car. That is what he said. Why means his explanation, because the velocity of the insect was much more than the motor car. Is it true, Ra? Is it insect is having more velocity than car?
No,
Insect
sir.
is having more velocity or car is having more velocity?
Car having more velocity.
Car is having more velocity. Next, that is what. So Akhtar explanation is wrong. Next, second one. Let us comes to Akhtar said that. Oh, that is over. Now, next second one. Oh, this is said by whom? First Kiran. Okay, Kiran. This is what suggested by Kiran. Now let us comes to the Akhtar. So Kiran, whatever he said, it is wrong. Now coming to the Akhtar. Akhtar said that since the motor car was moving with a large velocity, it exerted a large force on the insect. So as a result, the insect died. Is it true? Okay, let it be. We have a suspect. Now come to the third one. Rahul, while putting an entirely new explanation, said that both the motor car and the insect experienced the same force and a change in their momentum. Comment on this suggestion. So who is correct? Who is wrong? So observe very carefully. When the two bodies in the case of instead of insect, you can imagine the one car and one truck. So is it both are exerting same momentum or different momentum?
Different momentum.
Different momentum and same momentum. If there is no external force is acting, that is what you have to understand. Here, no external force is acting. Car is traveling with the maximum speed. So what is your explanation? How you can give? Whose explanation is correct? Why the insect will die? He said the insect will die. So you please tell me. So you may notice it. I have taught you so many examples. Observe very carefully. The body is smaller, the body is larger, doesn't matter. When they will come and will hit, collide each other. Understand? So the change in momentum is same, but either it will be slow down or understanding increases. Speed will increases or decreases depends on only one thing. That is what? Mass of the object. Correct? Mass of the object. So if the two bodies will collide each other, if no external force is acting, then what is the change in momentum? No external force is acting. What is the change in momentum? Please tell me. No external force is acting, just two bodies will come and will hit. Then what is change in momentum is equal. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct or no? But their mass may be different. That is what you have to understand. So here, who is explanation correct? Based upon that, you tell me. So here, no
Sir,
external
Rahul
force is acting. No external force is acting, but the both change in momentum will be definitely sure. If there is no external force is acting, both will experience the same momentum. Even though mass of the mosquito is smaller, insect, and car mass is more. So when they will collide each other, if there is no external force is acting, both will experience the same change in momentum. So then whose explanation is correct?
The Rahul explanation.
Rahul explanation. Why? Yelamakil?
Sir, because he only said that the both will
experience a what?
has the
Both
same
will
force
experience
and
the
change
same
in
force
their
and the same change in momentum if there is no external force on the system. Do you understanding, all of you? That is what you have to understand. Now
Yes,
again,
sir.
I will explain. Listen carefully. Kiran said that, what Kiran said, Ra? Kiran said that the greater in the momentum as compared to the change in momentum of the motor car, he said. That is wrong. Because momentum of the insect will be never be greater because its mass is what, Ra? Mass is very, very
Very small.
less compared to the car. So that Kiran's statement is wrong. Next, Akhtar, what he's saying? Akhtar said that since the motor car was moving with a greater, larger velocity, it exerted a large force on the insect. Is it true? Is it true? Suppose, see,
No, sir.
I know that you can. I have taught you already. If the object are smaller or bigger doesn't matter. If I am exerting 10 Newton force on this object, then this object also will exert how much force on me?
10 newtons.
Same 10 Newtons.
Same 10
Remember or not,
Newtons,
Pradosh? Monish?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
do you,
sir.
I think now you are clear. So object bigger or smaller doesn't matter. If suppose, see, this is the earth. Now Pradosh is standing. If Pradosh is exerting 10 Newton force on downwards, then the earth also will exert how much force on Pradosh? 10 Newtons only.
10 newtons.
Now suppose Yelamukil is standing. Yelamukil is exerting 50 Newton force. Then earth also will exert how much force on him? 50 Newtons. Correct or not?
15 newtons.
Here the body mass doesn't matter. Body mass doesn't matter. One person will be fatty and one person will be very small. So if you will exert 100 Newtons of force on ground also will exert same 100 Newtons force. If you will exert 10 Newton force, then the ground also will exert on what? 10 Newton force only.
10 newton
So
force.
here mass doesn't matter. So but Akila, this fellow Akhtar is saying what? Since the motor car was moving with a larger velocity, it will exert a what? Larger force on the insect so that it will die, he is saying. Is it will exert larger force?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
You understanding all of you? Suppose this is
Yes,
my
sir.
car. This is my car and my car, this is my window. Now mosquito will come and will hit my car with the 10 Newtons. Will hit my car 10 Newtons. Then my car also will exert how much force, Ra? Same
10
10
Newtons.
Newton force on this
10
mosquito.
Newton, sir.
Is it yes or no? Suppose instead of mosquito, I will go and will hit the car with the help of 100 Newtons force. Then car also will exert how much force on me? Same
100 newtons.
100
You
Newton,
understanding?
sir.
Clear, ma? Clear, ma? Any doubt? Please ask me. So that this fellow person, this fellow also wrong statement. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Both are exerting same force. Akhtar also will exert same force. But last statement you see, Rahul is saying that he's entirely different. New explanation said that both motor car and the insect experience the same force and a change in their momentum. Is it true or not?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes,
Because
sir.
unless until no external force is acting, unless until what is happening? Unless until no external force is acting, no external force is acting. What is happening, Ra? Insect, whatever the force exerted by insect, same force will be exerted by what? Car. Correct or not? Unless
Yes,
until
sir.
no external force is acting, what will happen, Ra? What will happen? Both experience the same force and same change in momentum. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Both experience. Do you understanding, Monish, this question, Tamil Selvan?
Yes.
Same force and same momentum. Do you understand it? Ra? But insect will stick to the car. Why? Because why?
Both they experience the same force and
They
same
will
momentum.
experience same force, but insect will stick to the glass window. Why? Because mass of the insect is
Less.
less. That is understanding, Ra. So whose explanation is correct? Rahul explanation is
Rahul's explanation is
understanding.
correct.
That is what the statement you have to write. Rahul explanation is correct, or else Rahul is given correct explanation. Given correct explanation. Just please tell me, Tamil Selvan, you understand this question or not? Manya and Samya. If you're not understanding, once again I will explain. Yelamukil, you can you explain just to say why the Kiran and Akhtar is wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Why?
Kiran says that insect forces exert more than the car force, sir.
Yeah, that is very good.
That is impossible, sir, because
Impossible. Because as we know that according to the Newton's, whatever the body, if the body is bigger, if the body is smaller, if the body is too smaller, doesn't matter. If this body is exerting 100 Newtons force, then this body is also will exert what? 100 Newtons
100
force.
Newton force.
If you take these two bodies, if this body is exerting 10 Newtons force and this body is also exerting what? 10 Newtons force. Only.
10 Newton force.
So mass doesn't matter, size doesn't matter. So that first Kiran's statement is wrong. Next, Akhtar is saying what? Akhtar is saying what?
Akhtar is saying
Car is exerting more force on the mosquito, so that mosquito will die. Correct? Larger velocity, so that is saying that large force on the insect, so that its result insect will die. So that is also wrong, because force always acting on any two bodies is experiencing same. Correct or not? If I am experiencing 10 newtons force and you
Yes,
are
sir.
also will experience same 10 newtons force on me, that is, but maybe mass varies. So that Kiran's statement, Akhtar's statement also wrong. So but Kiran said that, Rahul said that what? Both unless until no experience, means he knows already that. So if there is no change in force, there is no change in momentum, he said. Correct or not? Both experiences same force and same momentum, he said. Because unless until the external force is acting, what is law of inertia? What is law of inertia? Unless until the external force is acting, the body which is in rest remains in rest. The body which is in motion remains in
remains in
Remains
motion.
in motion.
remains in motion. That is. So here you can see insect experiences the same force and the change in their momentum also, like exactly car, because maybe insect is very small, but the car is even though very big. But what is happening? If the car is exerting 10 Newton force on the insect, insect also will exert same 10 Newton force, but insect will die. Why? Its mass is very small. Correct or not? It will come and will stick to the
Yes,
glass.
sir.
That is. So that is the phenomena behind. Do you understanding, Samaya? Manya? Please tell me yes. Tamil Selvan? That is the
Yes,
answer.
sir.
What is the answer you write here? Rahul is given. Rahul explanation is correct. Right. Rahul, or else you can write. The explanation given by Rahul is correct. The explanation given by Rahul is correct. The explanation given by Rahul is correct. As there is no external force on the system, as there is no external force on the system, what will happen, Ra? As there is no external force on the system, then both experiences what? Both experiences system.
Same
Both
force and same
experiences
momentum.
the same force and same change in moment. That's all. Any
Momentum.
doubt? Anybody ask me? Yes, that is. If you'll understand this, clear, Pradosh,
Yes, sir. Clear.
Monesh, Yura. Last question.
Sir,
Coming to the
clear,
last
sir.
question in this exercise. Very, very simple question. So let me see who will say. Read the question fastly. Very easy. You have to
How
apply.
much momentum will a dumbbell of mass 10 kg transfer
How
to a
much momentum
floor?
will a dumbbell of mass 10 kg? Do it.
Transfer to the floor if it falls from the height of 80 centimeter.
Hmm.
That is, take downward acceleration to be 10 meter per second squared.
Okay. Now, so observe very carefully what they are saying. How much momentum will a dumbbell of mass, dumbbell of mass 10 kg transfer to the floor of its fall from a height of 80 centimeter? Means what is the distance, Ra? What is
80
the
centimeter.
80 centimeters, sir.
80 centimeter. But it must be in meters. First, you tell me how much momentum will a dumbbell? Momentum they are asking. How momentum means? What is the formula? Momentum equals to what? Mass into momentum
Mass
equals to
into
what?
velocity.
Velocity.
Mass into velocity.
Velocity, sir.
Now you check it. So, how much momentum will a dumbbell of mass equals to given? Please tell me. Given equals to what? Given equals to mass equals to 10 kilogram.
10 kg.
Transfer from the floor. From the floor, if it falls from a height of 80 centimeter, means it is falling from certain height. Falling from certain height. What is the initial velocity? Falling from certain height. Falling from certain height. Falling, falling from certain height.
0 meter per
Remember
second.
from the first.
0 meter per second.
Freely falling. Understanding, Ra? Freely falling means in the sense of initial velocity is how much? 0 meter per second.
0, sir.
So when it is falling same direction, what is the G value? G value is positive or negative? Same direction to the gravity. Z value is positive or
Positive,
negative?
sir.
Positive.
Positive. How much they have given? 10 meter per second square. That is only acceleration. Understanding? Now what is the height? Height is equals to. Height means
square.
what? Height means yes. Distance. Distance equals to what?
Distance, sir.
80 centimeter.
So now you see. So acceleration A equals to plus 10 or minus 10?
80
10 meter per second square. Because same downward
10 meter per
direction.
second,
Better
sir.
not?
That's
Downward direction. Understand, Manya? Downward direction. Next.
Sir.
Distance S equals to 80 centimeter.
80
centimeters
centimeter.
means which is equals to how many meters? 80 divided by 100 meters. Correct or not? Which is equals to
Yes, sir.
0.8 meters, sir.
0.8 meters.
0.8.
Understanding? Now
Meter.
you see, we know initial velocity. Initial velocity is equals to 0 meter per second. But we want to see momentum. If you want to calculate, we want velocity. That is only called as final velocity. So means before touching the ground, what is the final velocity? If you know the final velocity, we can calculate the momentum. Correct or not? So now,
Yes, sir.
observe the given data and tell me for calculating velocity, which equation we have to use. You know distance, you know acceleration. Position
The
and
third
velocity.
equation.
Position and velocity.
Third
which
equation.
Position and
Third
velocity, no
equation.
time. Third equation. So
Third
we
equation,
have
sir.
to do it.
Position and velocity, third equation.
V square minus U square is equals to 2AS.
2AS.
We want velocity. So now
Yes, sir.
this is. So V square equals to minus 0, which is equals to 2 into 10 into 0.8. So now V square is equals to, please all of you might, 2 tens are 20. 20 into 0.8. Multiply it and tell me how much it is. 8 twos are 16. 160 means 16.
16, sir.
So V equals to, square will come this side, what will become? Root. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Root 16.
So
Root
V
16.
equals to 16 means what? 4 square. Correct or not? Yes or no? I can
Yes,
write
sir.
as a